We have our nice dinner, curry part 2. How is it?
It's better today.
Nice.
Like the flavors and stuff have had time to infuse together. They always say curry tastes better the day after because, you know, it's just all melded.
They do say that. They do. Oh. So we moved hostels because our last hostel, no one was staying there and we didn't have AC. And this one, no one's staying here and we don't have AC. Like, we're literally the only people staying here besides the 2 owners, I think. Oh, there's 1 person, but basically we have this place to ourselves, so it's either fun or boring, depending on how you look at it. We got a curry number 3. Same curry though.
We made so much of it, we can have it for breakfast.
Score. So we are in a taxi going to Puerto Colombia.
Gira a la derecha.
Oh, hello. It's basically a beach city. Looks pretty cute. It's been the last 2 days here. Say something.
No, not today.
Here we have Ruby. Just kidding. Puerto Colombia.
So we had a little bet on how many people would be at our hostel. I said 5, and you said what?
2.
2 others, apart from us. So I said 5.
And it's 0, so I win. Let me see it again. Nice one. So we're at the beach and it's really kind of ugly, kind of trashy.
Yeah, it's probably not the best one we've seen so far.
Probably the
I feel
worst.
like maybe if we go down a bit tomorrow, there might be some nicer beaches, who knows. The ones that where everyone was trying to, you know, bring us in. They might be the big money ones.
Probably not. So this is actually Ruby's second hat that has flown off in the wind since getting to South America. The first time was about 2 months ago, maybe.
In Huacachina.
In Peru, Huacachina, we were on a boat. It just flew off. Now
No,
it flew
it wasn't
off.
on the boat. It was on the dune buggies.
On the dune buggy, it flew off.
And I didn't realise just how fast those things were going to go, and just flung off and it got lost into the sand forever.
So what have you learned?
Probably not to wear a hat when it's windy in certain
Probably, yeah.
areas where you won't be able to pick it back up again.
Yep. There goes Ruby's iconic red hat.
This is going to be the biggest catch of the day.
Trying to catch it in the water. It's extremely windy, so I really just fluffed it. I was not even not gonna lie, my friend. Oh. Hello. Oh, hello. Cast that, baby. We have a nice meal of some nacho salad. Ruby's looks way better than mine. So I kind of just mushed it all together and I'm gonna eat it with a fork now. Yo! He's popping off! So we are attempting to go kite surfing today. So we got some motorcycles to go to the beach, and
We got Thriller about to happen for us just to get us all in the mood, you know.
yeah, they were just
We're ready.
blasting Thriller, so that was nice. So we just had a little hour lesson. We didn't even get up on the boards really. We just kind of stood in the water with them and
Tough work.
pulled the kites around, and then
It's very technical. It's a very technical sport.
it's kind of pretty hard.
Windsurfing. Kitesurfing, sorry, kitesurfing.
Kite surfing.
The wind has definitely picked up a bit since we've finished, which is quite nice, but...
Some good lighting. Oh. Oh. Hello.
So, you know, good lesson on how to turn it, you know, your 12 o'clock, your 10 o'clock, that's the
Yeah,
main
yeah. You
ones
got
that
your
need.
doce, you got your once.
You got your diez, you got your uno and your tres. You don't really want to hit uno or tres.
Oh,
Well, that's what he said to me.
uno, yeah. You don't want to hit nueve. So basically we thought we had an hour lesson with the boards and then we got to use them for the rest of the day, but we had an hour lesson with no boards and then we don't get to use them. The guy was like, all right, you're done, go shower. And we were like, okay. And then he poured buckets of water on us. And
I mean,
100,000 pesos later.
in a sense, we did go surfing. You grabbed onto the back of your instructor and they pull you through the water for a while,
For like
showing
5,
you,
10 minutes maybe.
showing you the directions and the changes. and then we then gave it over the reins over to us, or me anyway. I think you did as well, Station.
I did.
And then did a few failed attempts at doing the same thing as the instructor.
Wait, I didn't try to do that.
Didn't you?
Well, I didn't understand, maybe.
Oh, okay. Station didn't. I did.
You're so cool.
And we went in for a little bit of the water at Diaz o'clock, and then the kite jumped up to 12, and then we just stacked it.
We got the pros out here. You know, they have boards and such, so value trade. And yep.
And a little shack.
And a little shack. We got a sick little bungalow here and some rice. Yummy. So we thought it would cost 100,000 pesos. It's actually 150,000 each, which is about 50 US dollars, about 75 Australian, 80, which is literally what it would cost in the US. So I was watching the pros and just thinking how that could be us, but we didn't actually get a chance to pursue our potential.
Look, I reckon if we got a board, we would be all up about this.
Like in the air, like ready? Here we go. This guy's nice.
Give us some. No.
Ow. Oh.
Here we go.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah.
Hey! He's got tricks. It has now been 4 hours. We are still waiting for a ride. But there is no one. Woo woo! Oh. Oh. Oh, we got it.
Oh, damn. Oh.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, damn, Rufus.
So we just walked, well, we're not even home yet, but it's been 2 hours that we've been walking home from our kite surfing place with this ball that we found.
And well, we took a different shortcut as well. Well, I thought it was a shortcut to the beach. It didn't really direct us to the beach.
No.
But it kind of got us off the road a bit. Saw some cows.
Yeah, we were literally walking through some farm backyard, walking through the desert at one point, walking through a city on the side of a highway, walking through just some neighborhood backyards.
A lot of cow shit.
Yep. And for some reason, the maps just directed us the whole way. Oh, and Wooby's intuition, but why does the maps know how to get there? I don't know. This is the very end.
For now. We keep saying for now. It was the end like a week ago when the group split in Santa Marta.
Nah, it was the end when we left Lima volunteering.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah,
Then
true.
it was the end when the group split up. Now it's the end.
Now it's the end. Maybe.
It's not the end.
Oof,
It's just the beginning. What are your final words?
So I've really appreciated being on Stacey's vlog. It's been an absolutely huge experience, you know, being able to share our experiences with all of you guys. We've had a great time, plenty of experiences, many laughs, a few annoyances, you know, a few FaceTime interruptions, too many, I believe, you know. We've all learned a lot about each other. It's been a great time. And I'm signing off with Bella Be. Hey! I still need to find that song. I've been looking for it for so long and I haven't found it yet, so peace.